The ingredients for Chicken Sukka Masala are dry red chilies, peppercorns, we have coriander seeds, cinnamon, cloves and jeera. Let's fry the dry ingredients to make the Chicken Sukka Masala. In the wok, we are going to fry red chilies, now we are adding 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and then we are going to add half a tablespoon of black peppercorn, and we'll give it a stir. Now we are going to add jeera, that's 1 tablespoon. We'll stir it. Now we are adding 3 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, so that's 1 inch each. And now we are going to add about 20 cloves or half a tablespoon of cloves. We'll give it a stir quickly. It's done. I'm getting the aroma. You know it's done when you start getting this beautiful aroma. So it's done. Now we're going to transfer it to the bowl. So here we have fried all the dry ingredients, that is red chili, jeera, coriander seeds, peppercorns, and we have cloves and cinnamon sticks. We have powdered the dry ingredients. So as you can see, the powder is ready. Chicken Sukka Masala is ready.